Everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. And I thought we would talk about XRP today. And I started to think to myself, XRP is the third largest cryptocurrency out there. And that's by market cap, by the way, the total market valuation of the cryptocurrency. And I saw this article here, and there's some other ones we're going to go over as well in this video. But XRP price prediction, popular analyst predicts $30 for XRP in 2025. Is this the start of a new bull rally? Now, before we proceed, I do want to say we've already kind of been in a bull rally for XRP. I mean, if we look at like this right here when it hit over, so this in particular is $3.39 or $3.40 basically was the absolute peak. And if you look at where this has come from, I mean, this is already up a lot since, let's say 50 cents a share back in November. So it's already had a pretty good run. I mean, if you bought under 50 cents a share, you're now up, let's just say 4x, all the way above $2 a share or $2 a coin, I guess you could say. But there's also the predictions that this is just the beginning. And when we look at the market cap, I do think it's interesting compared to, let's say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, where XRP is right now. And also we can talk about in this video the utility for something like XRP and why there might be additional utility, let's just say that, and how this could actually be something long-term that is very beneficial for the banking sector. We're going to talk about that more. But let's go over this article real quick. So XRP, so it says it's at 259 as of reading this video. Total volume is $4.6 billion. So the dollar volume is $4.6 billion. Optimism around XRP comes with speculation about the approval of a spot XRP ETF in the U.S. So the SEC is expected to review the grayscale filing soon. Bloomberg analysts currently estimate a 65% of approval, possibly by mid-2025. So, we've seen the Bitcoin ETF thing. Now we're looking at XRP. If it gets the green light, then we could see institutional demand, right? So that's kind of what we've seen with Bitcoin is over the last several years, all of these institutions have been flooding the market because it's been legitimized and it's basically now going to Wall Street. It's going to the ETF market, right? So if we see something like that to where it actually does get approved and we see the first XRP ETF, so Armando Pantoja, I've never heard of this guy, but Armando Pantoja predicts that XRP is set for a major breakout and could reach $8 to $30 per coin as regulatory shifts and bullish technical patterns align. So yeah, there it is. I guess it's pretty short article there, but we'll move on to the next one. So that's the first one, basically a 10x from the current price. I mean, we're under $3 per coin right now. 10x in the market cap. Now, if we look at the market cap, if we go over to coin market cap, you'll see that we're at 148 billion on the market cap. But if you look at the Bitcoin or the number one player out there, which Bitcoin is number one, I think personally, because it's had the first mover advantage. It's had the ability to really scale up over the last several years. And it's just seen as the default cryptocurrency. But when we look at XRP and the utility it might have, we're at 148 billion right now. We're starting to see a move from 50 cents to $2. Now, what's stopping it from going to a 1.4, 1.5 trillion dollar market cap and 10xing? I mean, we're taking the number two spot, but even Ethereum is lagging behind big time here. So we're at 323 billion. And Ethereum is another one that, seems pretty popular. And we could get into that, but and when I say it seems popular, I mean in terms of the utility and like long term, the mindset of Ethereum and how this could really benefit the crypto landscape. That's kind of what I'm talking about. But with XRP, I think it's even more pronounced potentially. So that's where the market caps are currently. Now, if you look at the regulatory framework, Ripple price prediction, we're going to talk about that too. But a 1,500% boost to $27 is the 2017 bull run repeating. And I think it very well could be. Now, $1 trillion market cap is a big move, but that being said, we've seen crazy things in the crypto space, and nobody would have thought that Bitcoin would be sitting at a $1.5 trillion market cap right now. So we've seen a roller coaster ride in recent months, capturing the market's attention with large price swings and major regulatory developments. So on January 16th, the token surged to a multi-year high of $3.39, fueled by strong market sentiment. That was actually the chart we were just looking at, where it hit basically that cap right there, $3.39 or $3.40. So since then, XRP has pulled back to $2.68, a 21% decline from its January peak. And then it talks about the XRP ETF once again. So February 13th, it basically acknowledged a filing from the New York Stock Exchange and Grayscale Investments for a spot XRP exchange traded fund. So then they're trying to convert Grayscale's existing 6.21 million XRP trust into a fully tradable ETF with Coinbase Custody Trust Company acting as the custodian, and of course the Bank of New York Mellon. They've been around since the 1800s. They've weathered all the major storms out there, but they would be handling the administrative duties. So yeah, the SEC's acknowledgement means that the review process has officially begun, setting the stage for a potential approval or rejection within a 240-day window. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is no longer the Gary Gensler era. Okay, we're not under Gary Gensler's, all of that kind of stuff with the strict crypto regulations. So it also says Grayscale is not the only firm pushing for an XRP ETF. Bitwise, as well, it's another ETF company. So we'll see how that plays out. But it goes on there. And then we have XRP jumps to $157 billion market cap. Talking once again about the SEC ETF acknowledgement. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but that's been big news lately with XRP. Because if we get that institutional demand and it is seen as legitimized by the institutions, then that's going to be a good thing for the market cap overall long term. This one is saying, could it reach $5 in 2025? This is actually posted today at 5 a.m. So we're seeing all kinds of price predictions from $30 to $5. Either way, we're looking at, from $5 here, that would be more than double basically of the market cap. If it hits $5 or $6 per coin, we're talking, if we're at $150 billion market cap right now, we're talking a $300+ billion market cap. That would take, or right around the same market cap as Ethereum. Now, if XRP doesn't move like that, I'm also guessing Ethereum would probably follow suit as the broader crypto market goes up. And that could mean Bitcoin hits 150,000, 200,000. I've been thinking that 250,000 for Bitcoin is not unrealistic by the end of 2026, right? Or by even the end of this year, potentially. We've seen how fast these things can move. So yeah. And we have more news here. Ripple price prediction, massive whale movements is a 10x surge around the corner. This was posted 2 days ago. So we have XRP transfers, $300 million XRP move from Ripple itself. With a potential XRP ETF in play, the stars might be aligning for XRP's next big move. So that's a pretty large move. 300 million XRPs, right? So multiply that by the current price. A lot of whales moving some stuff around here. I mean, we have billions of coins or billions of dollars traded on a daily basis, it seems. The market cap, everything, the dollar volume is there. But with that being said, I mean, that's a pretty large move. Ripple's XRP has seen massive whale activity recently with over 430 million XRP moved. One of the biggest transfers came from Ripple itself, which sent $300 million XRP to an unknown wallet. Another 40.8 million XRP was moved by CoinCheck. So crypto analyst Amani X is optimistic and says XRP will surge past $20 per coin. The SEC has acknowledged a filing for a potential XRP ETF, which could lead to greater institutional investment. So if you have 1,000 XRP, it goes to $20. You're talking, what is that? 1,000 times 20, 20,000, right? So it just depends on how much you have. If somebody has 10,000 XRP, they could be looking at a massive sum, right? If somebody has 50,000 XRP, it all depends on your risk tolerance, your investing goals, and what you want to achieve with something like this. Because keep in mind, even though it might hit $20, maybe it doesn't happen this year. Maybe it does. But that's still a very large move in the market cap for XRP in a short period of time. So can it happen? Yes. But we're talking a move from $150 billion all the way to $1.5 trillion. We've seen crazy things in the crypto market. Do I think it's going to happen eventually? I personally think yes. Is it going to be in 2025? It's anybody's guess. That's kind of what I'm getting at here. But it's very positive for XRP. So for those of you guys who've been holding XRP for a while, or maybe you just got invested, this is all brand new stuff coming out here. So Elon Musk's interest in XRP could significantly impact the cryptocurrency market valuation. So this is another piece of news that just came out. And we're seeing all kinds of headlines. And if we look at Elon Musk's potential interest in XRP, ignites curiosity and anticipation. So it's talking about the rapid, cost-efficient transactions and eco-friendly profile. Now, I mentioned in the beginning of the video how XRP could be used for interbank transactions, international transactions, and it could potentially compete with the BRICS system or with the current system. The SWIFT. I think it's the SWIFT system. The current banking wire transfers, lots of fees, lots of slow processes, lots of paperwork. I worked at Wells Fargo. I know how slow these processes can be, even just for somebody transferring money out of a Roth IRA. The traditional banking system has the settlement days and all that. But what if you could do instantaneous transactions on a global scale with XRP? And you could still do it in the home currency, right? Is the technology there? Is XRP the solution, right? So that's kind of what they're getting at here. Could be the financial backbone is what he's saying here. Obviously, Elon Musk is having some influence in the White House already. And I think that, with XRP at play here, if, let's just say there could be an ace up the sleeve for Elon Musk here in terms of XRP and how this plays out. And maybe it's very beneficial for XRP in the long term. So it says it's not without its challenges, though. It's entangled in a legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, so it actually faces uncertainty. But Musk's involvement could prove transformative, possibly fast-tracking regulatory clarity and setting the stage for a breakthrough that could impact the entire cryptocurrency landscape. So it says if Musk pledges his support to XRP, the ramifications could ripple through the global banking sector. A Musk-backed endorsement might pressure financial behemoths to revamp their crypto strategies, elevating XRP as the preferred digital currency for swift international payments. Such a monumental shift could redefine traditional banking systems, ushering in a new era of eco-conscious financial solutions. So there's that one, guys. And as we continue here, I did want to run my own calculations in terms of, if we hit let's just say $30 per coin. We take the circulating supply. We can actually get an exact market cap of what XRP would be at. So we're at 100. Let's just call it 150 billion in terms of the market cap right now. We have a circulating supply of what looks like 57 billion. And if we take this number, 57 billion times 30, we get this ginormous number, which is actually in the trillions. Now, if you divide that by 100, you're looking at right here, it would be the equivalent of a $17 billion market cap. So you multiply 17 billion times 100, and what do you get? A $1.7 trillion market cap. Now, as of the current moment, that would put it on par with Bitcoin in the number 2 spot. So we're not even talking the number 1 cryptocurrency. We are talking, though, climbing the charts and taking Ethereum over, and maybe Ethereum moves back to 3rd place. Or maybe another up-and-comer, comes up here and takes over the crypto landscape, right? So there's all kinds of different things that can happen here. This is obviously speculation. There's a lot of people speculating, a lot of people excited. It doesn't always play out the way people think. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it far exceeds what people think. And sometimes it takes 10 years, right? So these are all things to consider. Consider your own risk tolerance. Consider what you want to achieve, if XRP would be right for you. I mean, for example, this guy says XRP fair value sits at 18,000. Now, 18,000, right? That would be a significant jump. We're not talking $1 trillion market cap. We're talking quadrillions. We're talking an insane amount of market cap here, where that would just be pretty, But I found this article. I was like, you got it, 18,000 per coin. That's something. So it's from Sam Wisdom Raphael. Thank you, Sam, for this. 18,000 per coin. Is XRP going to hit 18,000? I don't know, guys. My guess is not anytime soon, right? But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This has been a fun video, just talking about XRP. As you can see, it's already been going parabolic. If we go back a little bit further here, we can go back, and it's just been kind of trading sideways all the way under, 50 cents down to 43 cents. But it's been like that for a while. So we're finally getting this breakout. And now the question is, can we continue? Can this sideways trend go up to, $3 per share plus for this XRP coin? I'm sorry, yeah, not $3, but $30, right? Could it hit $3? It's at $2.48. It already did. But can it hit $30 per coin long term? Can it hit that 10x in the market cap? I think absolutely. I think it's one of those things where we're looking at just taking the number 2 spot at this point. If Bitcoin continues to go up, if Ethereum continues to do well, there's no telling what could happen here, guys. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.